Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to create effects such as camera zoom, shine effect that will make your logo, sticker or photo look epic, awesome circular text animation and screen effect. Before diving into the tutorials, I will give you a quick review of the HOTO air duster and vacuum. Thanks to this product my workspace and devices are always kept clean. So let's see what's in the box. Included within the box are a user manual offering detailed instructions, a high-quality storage bag designed for the product and all accessories, and powerful HOTO air duster and vacuum that will keep your equipment in great condition, featuring key components like the dust cap with a washable filter, vacuum brush head, air suction adapter, 3 blowout nozzles and a Type-C cable. All accessories are very easy to install and this product has a high and low performance modes that make it easy to use. Using the dust cap and brush head, within seconds say goodbye to dust on your desk and keyboard. HOTO air duster and vacuum is an excellent choice for everyone. For more details or to make a purchase, check out the link provided in the video description. First, I will show you how to create a camera zoom effect like this. To create this effect you need to screen record a video in which you zoom in using the camera app. After that, open CapCut, tap on the new project and then select the video you want to edit. Tap on the overlay option and then add screen record video. Find the transform option and then crop the video like I did. When the video is cropped, only the zoom animation will be visible. Now rotate the video as I did and then position it. Go to blend option and select filter or lighten mode. Place the video where you'd like the zoom effect to appear. Now tap on the main video and add a keyframe at the point where the zoom starts. After that, increase the size of the video at the point where the zoom ends. Select the overlay video and add fade in animation, then align it with main video. In order to make the video even better, we can add a zoom sound effect. I downloaded it from Epidemic Sound, the link is in the video description. After editing, my video looks like this. Would you like to know how to create viral videos for free? This tool will help you. Now you can export the video. Now I will show you how to create circle text animation. First, tap on text option and add your text. Select the font you like and then tap on the Style tab. Now select the curve option and adjust it as I did. Adjust the spacing to your liking and then save the change. Align the text with your video and then select in and out animations. I recommend selecting Type 2 animation because it looks great in combination with this text. For now the video looks like this. You need to export it and then select the exported video as a new project. This step is very important if you want the text to be behind a person or object. Tap on the overlay option and select the original video. Enlarge it to fit the background video and then select the remove background option. Select auto removal and wait for the process to complete. After editing, my video looks like this. In the next part of the video you will learn how to create a shine effect on your logo, stickers or photos. Add your sticker or image as an overlay. Position it as you like and then add in and out animations. Duplicate the sticker and then place it below. Align the stickers and then tap on the bottom sticker. Now select the Adjust option and adjust the settings as I did. Once you are done, choose the mask option. Select the mirror mask and then position it as I did. Adjust the arrow to your preference and then move the mask to the left side like I did. Now add a keyframe at the beginning of the sticker and then at the end of the sticker move the mask to the right side. Here you can choose the graph you like to make the effect better. This is what my sticker looks like after editing. In this tutorial I will show you how to create screen effect in CapCut. To create a screen effect you need to record a video like this one. You will also need a screen record video from your device. First, tap on Overlay option and then add your screen record video. Enlarge it and then remove the part you don't need. To make the effect more interesting, I suggest you speed up the video. Now align the screen record video with the original video. Tap on screen record video, select the edit tool, then tap the mirror option. Go back and then in blend option tap filter. Now in the mask option select the circle mask and then position it as I did. Position the mask on the part you want to be visible. Adjust this arrow to get a faded effect and then tap on invert. Now we will add the lost forest filter to make this effect look even better. Tap on filters and then in style tab select lost forest filter. Adjust it to your liking and then save. Now tap on effects and then in lens section select blur effect. Tap on object option and then select overlay. Now adjust the blur effect to your liking and then add a keyframe. After a few frames, reduce the intensity of the blur effect. After editing, your video should look like this. Now you can export the video.